Hi everyone, and today I'm going to be opening these Animal Jam Adopt a Pet things. So, I need my scissors. Yeah, I got my scissors now, and let's cut these things open. I don't know. I think I got it open. Ah. Okay, so now let's open this thing. Don't be one that I already have, please. Good. I think it's a lizard. Let me open this. Okay, so it is, I think it's a gecko, right? Ooh! And a code. You do this later. Now off to the next one. Now what is this? Wait. Is this a rare one? I guess this is really rare. Let me go look to see if it is. The other things in the bag exploded. So, I'm just going to need to leave it on the floor, I guess. Now let's see if it is really rare. I found it. What does that mean? I guess that means rare. It says diamond. Yeah. I guess this is a rare little one. Now the next one. I'm trying to cut this on camera. Well, that was not really on camera. Okay, now open the hatch. Oh. Ooh, a fox. It might be rare. Let me open. I think I just lost it. Where did it go? I found it. That means, yay! We didn't lose it. So, let me see. Oh. So does that mean it is a gem? Well, I don't know if that means really rare, but I don't think it's that rare. So those are all of the things that we opened. Well, the peacock is gone. Okay. The peacock's hard to stand up. I'll just leave it like that. I'm not. And thanks for watching this opening of these Adopt a Pet houses. And bye!